So if you're planning on doing any work on an om642, anything inside the engine, you're thinking about buying a Sprinter, GL, ML, whatever, just don't. Bad idea. Terrible engine. You don't want one. I do not recommend whatsoever. At any rate, just run and get another engine. The straight 5 and straight 6 engines previous, really quality engines, run a million miles. These om642s designed to just break at 200,000 miles. Just terrible engines. Anyway, since you're watching this video, you probably already screwed yourself and got one, which I did as well. So I just did a quite a bit here. I had a crank journal get ruined with the bearing spun. Had to get a new rod, so I put a new piston and rod in. Just did the heads, put the head gaskets on. About to do the timing chain. Pretty much everything on this engine is designed to fail. Anything that's noteworthy, we got the turbo always fails around 200,000. Everything fails around 200,000, so you're pretty much screwed. So just don't buy one. Anyways, any recommendations I have for you, just don't do it. Let's see. I don't know what you're here for. You're probably we get the torque procedure for the heads in case you needed that. I don't know. You're supposed to put new crank bolts in every single time. Here, I got the lifter soaking right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, all the parts for this engine, way too expensive. Better off buying a Honda. Oh, I'm gonna flip the engine around, show you what it looks like down there. So everything down here is a torque to yield bolts on the rods and the crank. The crank main caps have 4 on top, and then there's another one on either side. So there's 6 bolts per main cap. Just a little excessive, but no big deal. So all these are torque to yield, so you're supposed to replace them every single time. I reused them once, but I'm not going to this time. IDI Parts on the internet sells these for like $140 with shipping. Not bad. You can get the rod bolts for around $4 a piece. Watch out from the supplier you get them from though, because I bought them for $4 a piece. It's 12 of them, by the way, and they tried to charge me like almost $60 in shipping. So it was more expensive to ship than to get the bolts. Really messed up. Just watch out. Yeah, I got this crank online for around $350. They're typically around $1,000, so it was a pretty good deal, but had a little bit of pitting from some rust, but good enough to work. Is a 2-row chain. I got a nice Phoebe Bilstein. Anyways, let me know what you're looking for advice on in the comments if I didn't have the info you were looking for.